Okay, final test I hope. So it looks like you actually have to tick the box to tell it to record audio as well. Video seems to be working grand, audio on the other hand wasn't. Right, so again, given that this is the only one that's actually probably going to be uploaded as a test, Hero 3 Plus camera plugged in via HDMI cable into an Elgato Camlink 4K. I am recording this on a Dell XPS 15 using the 4K capture utility from Elgato themselves. Video seems to be slightly out of sync. Don't know if the audio is going to be. We'll find that out when I play back. And yeah, so far so good. If this works, I might actually buy my webcam system for other stuff. Anyway.